Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Obese to Fit with Parkinson's. My name's Ryan Leniger, and I thought the spring series was going to finish, but it keeps going, which is good. It holds me accountable, it keeps me moving, keeps me doing things that need to get done outside and inside. It's the last little piece of the puzzle for outside for sure, for pressure washing. And so when I pressure washed the patio in the last episode of the series, I stopped at I'll show you. I stopped at this little part here in that last video. And so what I want to do is I want to do this here, pressure wash all this. See how it's dark here, got all that dirt and stain kind of. Most of that'll come up, but let's see if I can zoom out a little bit. There we go. I want to get all this deck done. It's been a year probably for sure, maybe two since I've done it. So today's a good opportunity to get it started anyway, possibly done. I think there's going to be storms coming in again. It's still first week of April. It's April 7th, 6th or 7th. And Thursday, so I have men's prayer breakfast, so the 6th. So the kids will be out of school next week for Easter break, but I want to get this going today for sure. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm really pleased with how everything's turned out. Here's the patio that we did. I got some of the stuff moved back, but let me show you. Got my pressure washer and my water, just gotta stay hydrated. It's low 80s with humidity and like I said, storms. I wanted to get the bikes off the other patio, but yeah, it came out good. There's a little staining here, you can see. I got paint here. I told you that was from when I painted our doors inside, or the outside doors. That was just from painting, cleaning off the brushes that had all the paint and everything it got on the cement. So unfortunately that did not come off. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get started. It's about 11 o'clock, 11:10 in the morning. And so I'm going to get this set up and we'll get going. So I just kind of wanted to show you a little bit what the difference it is, and here's before and after. So I'm just doing little sections at a time, but this is the part I haven't done yet. You can see it's just, it's a lot more noticeable once you start seeing, look at just these little sections. I'll do little sections at a time. Like I said, I use little markers, so this crack here, I'm gonna use that, and then I'll kind of break it up in little sections and spray it. I'll spray it out towards the lawn once I get to that section, but I'll just kind of come up this middle and just spray it off that way. So I'll show you the difference here. This is the little part I did. It didn't take long at all. But yeah, I did this little, almost like a little triangle section here. And then yeah, you can really tell the difference when you step back and look at it. I probably won't do much more talking. I'll just go ahead and try to knock out as much as I can. Yeah, so let's do it. So we finished the first little section that I'm gonna do for now. And yeah, it came out pretty good. Can't tell really without being on top of it, and when you're spraying it you can see the difference. But here's the difference between the next section and the section I just did. So you can see where I stopped here along this line. So I went up to this line and just sprayed a little over, just so I could kind of see and gauge how well it's doing. And yeah, I'm really excited. It's definitely warmed up, so I'm gonna take a break. I've drank 1 bottle of water already, but I'm gonna go ahead and rest for a few minutes, and then try to knock out another square, and we'll just keep going square at a time. Well, we finished another project on the list, so I just want to say thank you to all you guys for helping me get through all this, and getting through each project. Everyone's encouraging thoughts, prayers, words, messages that they send me, that I've said before, that is what fuels my fire, and I'm just grateful for that. And yeah, this was something that needed to be done for sure. Just thank you so much. This will be the last episode on the spring series. It's April 6th, and it's 3 o'clock, so it took us right around 4 hours to do, with a few breaks, water, ate lunch, and anyway, I just appreciate everything, and we'll see what the next video has. I don't know yet. I have a bunch ready to go. This one will probably come out 3rd week of April maybe, and then I have more coming out after that. I'm thinking of different topics and subjects. I told you I had meal plans. I'm going to go through, well, I might have already gone through it by the time I release the video, but all the medical diagnoses, and yeah, just thank you so much. This is Ryan Leniger with Obese to Fit with Parkinson's, and I will talk to you later. Bye.